Welcome to the presentation on the Pakistan Income Tax Calculator for the 2025 to 2026 financial year. This advanced tool is specifically designed for salaried professionals across all sectors, government, private, and NGO, to accurately estimate their tax liability for tax year 2026. As we walk through the user guide, you'll see how the calculator manages everything from basic salary and monthly allowances to more complex items like performance bonuses, company perquisites, and statutory exemptions. To get started, users simply need to head to the tax calculator sheet and begin entering their monthly basic salary. The system will then automatically project annual figures and guide you through the subsequent steps of data entry. Continuing with our guide, once your income is entered, the calculator automatically applies the latest FBR tax slabs, including the 9% surcharge for high-income earners exceeding 10 million rupees. We have structured this tool into 5 distinct sheets, ranging from the main calculator and reference slabs to specialized sheets for perquisites and detailed instructions. Please keep in mind several key updates for this year. The basic exemption remains at 600,000 rupees, but the tax rate for the second bracket has been notably reduced to 1%. While this tool is designed for precision, we always recommend verifying your final results with official FBR publications and consulting a tax professional for specific individual circumstances. Let's look at a practical example of the calculator in action. In this scenario, we have a monthly basic salary of 140,000 rupees combined with dearness and medical allowances. You'll notice how the system automatically calculates the 10% medical exemption and deducts zakat to arrive at a taxable income of 1.94 million rupees. By applying the slab 2 and slab 3 rates, the calculator determines a total annual tax liability of 87,620 rupees. This breaks down to a monthly deduction of just over 7,300 rupees, resulting in an effective tax rate of 4.06% and providing a clear view of the final monthly take-home pay. To understand where those numbers come from, this slide displays the official income tax slabs for tax year 2026. The structure is progressive, starting at 0% for the first 600,000 rupees and scaling up to 35% for income exceeding 4.1 million rupees. A significant change to highlight this year is the reduction in the second slab's rate to 1%. On the right, we've included example calculations to demonstrate how the fixed tax and percentage-based formulas work together. Remember, these rates apply specifically to individuals whose salary constitutes more than 75% of their total taxable income. Navigating the complexities of allowances is crucial for accurate filing. Most common components like house rent and utility allowances are fully taxable in Pakistan. However, as shown in our table, medical allowance offers a partial exemption of up to 10% of your basic salary, if no separate reimbursement is provided. It is also important to distinguish between exemptions, which reduce your taxable income, and tax credits, like the teacher or researcher rebate, which directly reduce your final tax bill. Proper documentation for zakat and donations to approved NGOs is essential to claiming these benefits successfully. Finally, we have the valuation of perquisites or benefits in kind, which apply to employees earning over 600,000 rupees. The calculator includes specific modules for company cars and housing. For instance, a vehicle used for both official and private purposes is valued at 5% of its cost per annum. Similarly, housing is valued based on the rent paid by the employer minus any recovery from the employee. This slide also lists other taxable benefits such as club memberships, domestic servants, and interest-free loans. By accurately inputting these values into the perquisites sheet, you ensure your total tax liability is both compliant and precise.